Hello, Mayan. Good afternoon.
Hello, teacher.
Yes. Okay, so how was your school day today, Mayan?
It's good.
I see. Okay. What's the weather right now?
It's hot and sunny today.
Oh, wow, that's really great. Yeah, because I've seen a video in Vietnam. I don't know where it was in Vietnam, but there was actually a typhoon. Did you just have a
Uh,
typhoon in Vietnam?
yes.
Wow.
My
When
country,
was it?
I have typhoon.
When?
My country,
In your
like,
country?
yes.
When? When did it happen?
I think I have a typhoon and then they have a storm.
Okay. So yeah, because there was very very strong wind and heavy rain in that video. Yeah, where even the motorcycles couldn't um push
Yeah.
or couldn't run on its own because of the wind. Yeah, that's what I saw in the video. But thankfully, there were good citizens, like the drivers of the cars, trucks, who are actually like staying in one place so that all the motorcycles could also run despite the wind. Okay, anyway, I want you to take a look at your screen. Okay, what can you see in the picture, Mayan?
Um, I see the men are so busy with the time in his work.
That's right. Okay. By just looking at this, oh, look at the man. The man has got many hands and many legs. He has got a lot of work to do. So by looking at this picture, can you make a guess of what the topic is today?
Um, he is busy. Uh, like that.
Pardon, Mayan.
I think the topic today is busy.
All right. That's actually correct. Busy. Okay. So let's look at the objective. So the objectives actually is the same as usual. We're going to have part one, which is listening. Part two, that is focused on reading, vocabs and phrases, and pronunciation. Then on the part three, we're going to have a discussion. Okay. So let's look at this one, Mayan. So if you can actually listen to the audio very well, okay, you can actually tell me that, oh, I don't want to listen anymore. But if you couldn't hear the audio so well at first, you are allowed to listen until three times. Okay, so just listen and tell me what did you understand from the audio or what phrases that you heard from the audio. Here it is, Mayan. Can you hear the audio?
No, I can't hear it.
Oh, I think I forgot to share. Hold on. Let me share my screen again. Oh, yeah, I forgot.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Mayan. So here it is.
Listenaminute.com. Busy. Are you busy? Do you lead a busy life? It seems we get busier and busier in our lives. I hate being busy. I'd much rather have nothing to do. Being busy makes me stressed, and I end up making mistakes or forgetting something. Who's the busiest person you know? I bet he or she is really stressed. The busy people I know are always looking ahead to their next holiday. And then, in their holiday, they are busy doing other things. I think we busy ourselves with too many things. We need to learn to relax and take things slowly. Even at work, we have to look busy, even if we're not. When the boss comes, we tell our friends, "Look busy." That's silly. It would be great if the word busy disappeared from the English language.
All right. So do
Can
you
you,
want to listen again?
yes, need to listen again.
Okay, here it is.
Listenaminute.com. Busy. Are you busy? Do you lead a busy life? It seems we get busier and busier in our lives. I hate being busy. I'd much rather have nothing to do. Being busy makes me stressed, and I end up making mistakes or forgetting something. Who's the busiest person you know? I bet he or she is really stressed. The busy people I know are always looking ahead to their next holiday. And then, in their holiday, they are busy doing other things. I think we busy ourselves with too many things. We need to learn to relax and take things slowly. Even at work, we have to look busy, even if we're not. When the boss comes, we tell our friends, "Look busy." That's silly. It would be great if the word busy disappeared from the English language.
All right. Okay, how about that one, Mayan? Did you listen well or one last time?
I think I know a little.
Mm-hmm. So what did you understand from the audio?
Mm, I think he is so hate busy and uh he tell I think he tell about busy make me stress like that.
But yes, that's right. So it is about a man who is very busy, and like the speaker even mentioned that there are actually people who are very busy at work where they tend to look forward for the next holiday. Yeah. And once there is a holiday already, they are also busy with other things. They don't find time to relax. Yes. Okay, so yeah, that
Yeah.
was the audio all about. So this time, Mayan, I'll let you look and read.
Mm, busy. Are you busy? Do you lead a busy life? It seems we get busier and busier in our lives. I hate being busy. I much rather have nothing to do. Being busy makes me stressed and I end up making mistakes or forgetting something. Who's the busiest person you know? I bet her, I bet he or she is really stressed. The busy people I know are always looking ahead to their next holiday. And then in their holiday, they are busy doing other things. I think we busy for service with too many things. We need to learn to relax and take things slowly. Even at work, we have to look busy, even if we are not. When the boss comes, we tell our friends, look busy. That's silly. It would be great if the word busy disappeared from the English language.
Yes, thank you so much for reading this one, Mayan. So, Mayan, I want you to look at this word, say disappeared.
Disappeared.
Oh, one more time. Disappeared.
Disappeared.
No, okay, so this one not period. Here, disappeared?
Disappeared.
Yes, that one. That's perfect, Mayan. Thank you so much for that. Okay, so let's look at the words and phrases from the text. So in here, Mayan, the first word or the first phrase is what we call lead a busy life. What do you what if we're going to, okay, let me define busy first because I haven't gone into this word busy. So when we say you are busy, that means you have a lot of things to do. You are occupied with a lot of things. Okay? And when we say lead a busy life, that means you have a lifestyle that is filled with many activities or you have many responsibilities in your life. That's why you are leading a busy life. Okay, like for example, um, my eldest sister leads a busy life, juggling her work, church, and her family. So, what's your sentence?
I think my older brother had a busy life.
All right, great. Now we also have here next get busier and busier. Okay, when something
Yes,
gets busier and busier, that means it becomes increasingly busy over time. Okay, so you get more occupied. Like, for example, right now or today, I am busy. Tomorrow, I will be busier. Let's say that it's like if we can rate how busy am I today, let's say I am busy from 1 to 10, me being busy is 8. I would rate it as 8. But tomorrow, if I would rate it, that's gonna be 10. So that's get busier and busier. Like for example, as the deadline approach, I got busier and busier in doing all my homework, studying for exam, and submitting all my projects. So what's your sentence?
I think I get busier and busier when I go to school.
Very good, May Ann. Okay. And we have here next would rather. Okay. So here, when we say would rather, that means you prefer to do one thing over another. Like, for example, I would rather stay at home than go out at a party. What's your sentence?
Mm, my, wait, I don't know what would later.
Ah, when we say would rather, May Ann, this is when you prefer to do one thing over another. Like you choose to do one thing. Like for example, you have two options. Okay. The two options that you have is either to eat at home or eat at a restaurant. So I'm going to ask you, what would you rather do? Then you're going to say, oh, I'd rather eat at home than eat outside because that way I can save. So you are using the phrase would rather to prefer to do one thing over another. Is that clear now?
Yeah.
So what's your sentence, Mayan?
I think I would rather to doing my homework. Can you hear me?
Say that again, please. I didn't hear you.
I think I would rather to doing my homework.
Very good. I would rather do my homework. Okay, and we have here end up. So when we say end
Yeah.
up, that means you result, how do I say that? End up means to eventually reach a particular situation without any plans of doing it. Like for example, if I don't study, I might end up failing the exam. Okay, so I don't plan to fail the exam, but if I don't study, then I would end up having a failing grade. So that is end up. So what's your sentence, Mayan?
I am up my class at 12 o'clock. Hello, teacher.
Yes, what's your sentence?
I am up my class at 11 o'clock.
Pardon?
I am up my class at 11 o'clock.
I end up my class. So that's the literal meaning of end, like to, how do I say it? Like to finish something like that. So, what there is also another definition of the word end up, like it results in something like that. Okay, like for example, our class will end, okay, at 5:30, like that. Or fourth, I don't know what time does our class end. So yeah, our class ends at 4:30. Okay, so that is end. Okay, the definition of end, like to finish something like that. But if you would say end up, okay, there's another definition of it, like to result in something. Just like me, if I don't study, I might end up failing the test. So what would be the result of me not studying? Okay, so I would fail the test. Or another example, um if I don't exercise, I might end up having a big stomach. So what's your sentence, Mayan? So that's end up.
I think I am up my work house at 5 p.m.
All right, thank you for that. Now we have here making mistakes. What can you understand with the phrase making mistakes, Mayan?
I think making mistakes are uh, um, um, I think it's just like make something like that.
Pardon, Mayan.
It's just like make mixing something.
Okay. So when we say making mistakes, that means you are doing something incorrectly. Okay. For example, making mistake, oh, they said that making mistakes is a part of learning. What's your sentence?
But, I think I always making mistakes in my test. Hello, teacher. Can you hear me?
Say that again, Mayan, please.
Mm. I always making mistake at my test.
Let me write your sentence. I always making mistakes like this.
Yes,
All
on
right.
my
Thank you.
test.
On my,
Test. On my test.
how do you spell the last word?
Test.
Test. I always making mistakes on my test. Thank you for this. Okay, so actually, I understand what you mean. However, the sentence doesn't sound right when it comes to grammar. So instead of saying making, you can say, I always make mistakes on my test. Because making mistakes, okay, the word making mistake is in present continuous tense. But when we say make mistakes only, this is in present simple tense. That's the difference of make mistakes and making mistakes. So if you want to use making mistakes, okay, then you can say, I'm making mistake. I'm making mistake on my test. Like that. Okay, so either of the two are fine. All right. Now, next we have here looking ahead to. So, when we are looking ahead to something, that means we are anticipating something that will happen in the future, or you are looking forward to the future like that. Like, for example, I am looking forward for my vacation on December. So what's your sentence?
Mm, I think I'm looking ahead to my future.
Pardon, I cannot hear you well, Mayan.
I'm looking ahead to my future.
Very good. I'm looking ahead to my future. Very nice. Okay, and we have here busy with something. When you're busy with something, that means you are occupied with a particular task. Okay, like for example, me, I'm very busy with my master's program. What's your sentence?
I think I'm very busy with my homework.
Very good, Mayan. Okay, and we have here busy doing something. So you are actively engaged in a specific task. Okay, so for example, um, I'm busy doing uh, I'm busy doing my research. What's your sentence?
I think I'm very busy to doing my housework.
Pardon?
Uh, I'm
Hello,
very
Mayan.
busy. Yes, I'm here.
Say that again, please. I'm very busy.
Uh, I'm very busy to doing my housework.
Okay, thank you for that. Now, we also have in here have a busy schedule. So when you have a busy schedule, that means your schedule is packed. Okay, you have many activities to do, or you have so many commitments that were planned already. Okay, just like me, I have a very busy schedule during the weekends. So what's your sentence?
Uh, I think I'm have uh so many class. Oh wait, I have a busy to my class schedule.
Great. Okay, and lastly, as busy as a bee. Okay, so when you're as busy as a bee, that means you're very busy and active like the bee. Extremely busy. That's as busy as a bee. For example, I'm as busy as a bee where I always work on something. So what's your sentence?
And uh, I think I'm as busy like
Pardon,
when
please.
I'm doing my homework as busy
All,
as a bee.
all right. Okay. So any question about the words and phrases in here, Mayan? Do you have any question, Mayan?
No, I don't have a question.
Okay. So this time I will let you read about this text again because I'm going to ask you question later.
Um, are you busy? Do you lead a busy life? It seems we get busier and busier in our lives. I hate being busy. I like uh, I much rather have nothing to do. Being busy makes me stressed and I end up making mistakes or forgetting something. Who's the busiest person you know? I bet he or she is really stressed. The busy people I know are always looking ahead to their next holiday, and then in their holiday, they are busy doing other things. I think we busy ourselves with too many things. We need to learn to relax and take things slowly. Even at work, we have to look busy, even if we're not. When the boss comes, we tell our friend, look busy. That's silly. It would be great if she were busy disappeared from the English language.
Yeah, thank you so much for reading this one. Okay, so this time, let me ask you a question. Does the man prefer to be busy or have nothing to do? And why?
Um, when when for me, I think he
Yeah.
prefer, I, I I think I think he
Oh, I cannot.
prefer, I
You
think
are on.
he prefer, what,
Oh, hold on, Mayan.
what,
I'm sorry, but I cannot hear you well. You are on and off.
yes, I think uh, I think the men prefer to have nothing to do because he hate to busy.
Yes, that's right. Okay, how about the busy people that the man know? What do they
Um,
do to be busy?
I think they are, yeah, I think it's her, it's his friend. I think it's his friend.
Yes, Mayan?
I think it's his friend.
Yes, they are his friends. So what do they do to be busy?
Mm, they are I think they are busy ourselves with too many things. They need to learn to relax and take things slowly.
Okay, so the man's friends are actually looking ahead to their next holiday. And when the next holiday comes, they are also busy doing other things. Okay, so now Mayan, this quote is from anonymous person. Okay, he says that never get so busy making a living that you forget to make a life. So, what do you think of this quote?
Oh, I think that like I think just when we get busy to making something, we have we have to doing a job and making a life.
Okay, yes. So, do you agree with this quote?
Mm, like that.
Yes or no?
Yeah, yes.
Yes. Okay. So thank you for your thought about this quote, Mayan. So yeah, when we say never get so busy making a living that you forget to make a life, okay, it means that while we are working hard and we are being busy, I don't know how to say it. Like it is actually important to be very busy and to work hard. But it is also equally important to find time for ourselves, for our loved ones, and to enjoy life. Okay, so in my opinion, balance is the key. Okay, we shouldn't be so focused on work that we miss out on life's simple joys. So what are those life simple joys that I'm talking about? Like spending time with our family on Sunday or even on Saturday like that, watching a TV with them, going on a park with them, have a picnic with them, like to take care of ourselves. Those are actually the simple joys that the life can offer to us. And if we are very busy with our work, we tend to forget to do or to appreciate those simple joys in our life because all our attention is on work. That's why we should have a work life balance on everything. You balance your study, you balance your work, and you balance your time with your family or even to yourself like that. Yeah, it's so easy to say it than to do it. So that is a challenge for all of us. Okay, how about you, Mayan? Are you busy or not?
I think I'm busy to my homework.
Sorry?
I think I'm busy to my homework.
Ah, okay. So you're busy doing your homework. Okay, so well, yeah, that is normal, the life of a student. So do you like to be busy or do you like to have an easy schedule? Then why?
Mm, I think I like to have an easy schedule.
Wow, why do you like to have an easy schedule, Mayan?
I think it's because it doesn't make me stressed.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So yeah. While me, I like to have a busy schedule because it's very boring if if I don't do anything. And I also want my mind to be very busy because when I don't do anything, I will just think negative thoughts. Yeah, so once I'm busy, I don't entertain any negative thoughts that comes into my mind. Okay, do you think that you manage your time wisely, Mayan?
Um, are you productive or just busy? I think I'm busy.
Pardon?
I think I'm just busy.
Do you think you manage your time wisely? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes
Yes.
or yes, very good. How do you manage your time wisely?
I'm doing my housework and my homework.
Okay, very good. Yeah, that is actually what we call managing our time between the things that we do at home and the things that we do at work. Okay, so kindly explain to me using your own words about this sentence. Are you productive or just busy? What does it mean? Is there any difference with the word productive and busy?
I think I'm busy. Hello, teacher.
Yes, Mayan.
Can you say again?
Like, give me your thoughts about being productive and just being busy. What is the difference between the two words, productive and busy?
Alright, okay. Let me. Mm, I think productive is uh productive is our energy when we do something and we have to energy, and busy is when we do our homework or the work. We're also busy and stuff like that.
Okay, thank you for that one. Actually, the difference between the two is when we are productive, we are focusing on doing the task that contributes to our objective. Like, for example, I am very busy in doing homework. So, yes, that is you being productive because you doing your homework results in having a good grade. Okay, so that is actually in line to a better future. Okay, while when we say I'm being busy, okay, it is actually about doing activity that does